Now I'm going to plug in the Dell Venue Pro 8 into the USB to HDMI, and here comes the problem. Since with the Asus VivoTab, I had to use this plug, but on the Dell, because the USB port is here and this plug is so heavy, there's a very high chance it will lose connection. So let's just give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna just plug it in here. Give me a second. Just gonna plug it in and zap. And I can feel the weight of I can see that the weight of the USB dongle that is actually pulling the thing away. But I think we're stable. Okay, so I'm going to do a project, second screen, and so again I click duplicate, nothing happens. Now I'm going to select devices, project, and oops, I pressed duplicate again, extend. And nothing's happening. That's strange. So we have I've seen to run into a bit of a problem here, which is that with the Dell, even using this plug, even using the USB on the go plug, I'm not getting a video out. The Windows itself says that it detects a VGA display, which is wrong, because it should have detected that is the TV name through the HDMI connection. So that's why we're going to do something drastic now. Okay, I'm going to pull this out first. I'm going to rotate my screen back into normal mode. And here's the funny part with you can see that the fact that the device driver couldn't initialize properly left a mark on it. Now Windows still thinks the driver still thinks that the second monitor is connected even though it's not. So that's definitely not something good. So I'm gonna restart it and get it back working again. Okay, so I've restarted now, and I'm going to try and take care of the power issue with the power issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cable. Now what this cable is, that it's a USB on the go cable, but you can plug it into an external power supply to provide power to this port. So it provides power to the USB device. As much as I was hoping it would work, no, the plugging this in doesn't charge the tablet at the same time. It only provides power for the USB device. So here we go. I'm going to plug this in. Then I'm going to plug it into the power. And then I'm going to plug in this. And there was a blink, so oh, here we go. TV is up. Now if you're wondering, so why did we have to go through all these convoluted things? Yes, why should we? Again, as I mentioned in the start video, this is very likely because of the fact that I bought a USB 3 plug. So if you didn't buy a USB 3 plug, you should be fine. Now, once again, I'll just show the video. So the audio is going, and I will transfer the video over to the screen. There's not much problem here right now, but I guess it just depends on what the system is doing. It looks much better than the Asus right now. So I'm really hard to gauge. Really hard to expect whether this is gonna work properly or not. In any case, I would have to say is that you really can't expect it to display in real time, that the visual quality is going to be constantly persistent and the frame rate is going to be constantly good. It's definitely an unknown on the video quality and accurateness. So don't expect to do anything real time on it. So again, I'm gonna send it over to YouTube. Now in this case, because I didn't attach the Bluetooth mouse to it, I'm gonna rely fully on all the touch controls. Skip that. Oh, excuse me. Why is it displaying at 480? Now one thing you'll notice is that there's definitely a lot of jerking right now. And even when I move the mouse, it's already not smooth. So you definitely can see that there's some issue right now. This basically just strengthens up my point just now. You really can't guarantee the fact that all these, if you're watching a video, it's very hard to say that you will always get very fast, very good quality video. Now the reason why YouTube is probably worse off than watching videos locally is probably because when you're playing it from YouTube, the processor is not only does it need to decode the video and get the video on screen, it also has to download the video from using the Wi-Fi. So you must remember that because there's the only video card here now is the USB dongle, so it's actually pushing all the video data through the USB dongle, and that's probably going to be a bit slow, and at high resolution it probably isn't something that the Atom can do. That's definitely, you can see all the effects of having a poor you can see all the effects of a poor connection right now. Okay, let's just stop this. And we shall disconnect it.